Welcome to Rockville.
Guys, pardon the interruption, but August 29th, that's it, man. We're running out of time. It's right around the corner. We're going to be pulling the ticket to this 2025 Gas 450 Factory Edition that we loaned to Justin Barsha and rode it at Southwick. It's got 3 hours on the time meter from what he rode it and I rode it. It's signed by Justin Barsha. It includes a set of his riding gear. And there's 10 bucks at kaplancycles.com. Go get your ticket. Someone's going to win. Might as well be you.
Guys, 2024 Buell Hammerhead 1190. Full carbon bodywork, an 1190cc Helicon motor, putting out 185 horse from stock and a little bit more with the Kaplan Race Pipe and Tune that this bike is equipped with. They have a curb weight of 419 pounds, under 400 with the Kaplan Race Pipe and Tune. You're deleting the stock Cat, which is really heavy. Completely unrestricts the bike, puts it in a better state of tune. So now the bike is running Stoich, gets rid of the flame out issue that all the modern bikes that are leaned out and corked up to meet emissions regulations here in the US. Full genuine carbon bodywork. Signature Buell, they have the big perimeter front brake disc rotor and the 8-piston front brake caliper. This 2024 model is the last year that you'll see this Ram Air, signature Buell Ram Air Caliper Cooling system there. The 2025s have a different suspension and brake setup where this is no longer compatible. Pirelli Diablo tires from stock, and they're super sticky. Just insane out of the bike. It has, out of the box, this is an insanely capable machine. It's analog, there's no ABS, and it's just absolutely raw. It's just a raw motorcycle. With the pipe, this is essentially a straight pipe, guys. You have the headers, which are completely unadulterated. They're straight through, and usually they bolt into the cap, but our system has just a wide pipe, simple setup, stainless, coming into a straight through resonator, and then side exit on the pipe. You'll see stripped down for track use, you can achieve a high 300s weight, which is absolutely insane. The weight is so far down low that this is just an incredibly athletic motorcycle. And when you're riding it, everything moves more slowly. So really, it's just something that is difficult to put into words. This unit right here, there's a 2024, has 540 miles on it. It's essentially a brand new motorcycle. In fact, it's still under the factory warranty. Let me see here. Yeah, 537 factory miles. A 2025 spec'd with the Kaplan Race Pipe and Tune would cost you $22,850 out the door. We don't charge any fluff fees, but still it's going to be at least $5,000 more expensive than you can buy this unit. It still has the full factory warranty. That's essentially a flawless, perfect, brand new machine. Parts availability is strong, and their service network is nationwide. We do ship nationwide. We can ship this to you anywhere in the country. Give me a call if you have any questions, 860-471-0192. We can check how close your nearest service center is for general maintenance or what have you. If you have any questions on the Buell product, they're under new ownership now, 100% made in America, right here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. And from Kaplan Cycles in Rockville, we'll ship it to you, roll on, roll off, insured and closed. No crating here. We have motorcycle specialists that'll bring it right to your door. White glove service. And again, financing is available. So this bike can be bought for under $18,000. Yeah, the pipe we charge $1850 with the Tune. That comes equipped as standard. Can't tell you any more about it, guys. I have one at this price. 2024 models are completely sold out. I don't have any used Buells on the market. Guys buy them, and we rarely see them trade. Buell is still, they're hand-built, small batch, and frankly, their focus is on Super Cruiser production this year. So the 2025s are going to be in short supply. So you can buy this 24, which is essentially an identical model for a fraction of the cost. Save $5,000 and get on one of these Buell 1190s. Call or text. Thank you for watching. Good luck bidding. Call in to purchase. We'll get you dialed in. Take care. God bless America.